Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are back with day 2 of gray theme looks or outfits. I haven't fully decided. I think I want to try not to do a gray look as in for makeup wise, because I don't want all of my looks to be a little bit boring when it comes to gray, because gray is somewhat of a boring color when it comes to everything about it. Yes, I'm gonna try to add a little bit of splash of color because I don't want all of my gray theme looks to look the same, which is like gray smoky eye, gray smoky eye. So I am gonna switch things around. I did see some gray tones in here, so I'm pretty much just gonna play off of this palette. This is the NYX UTOPIA palette. Never used it before, forgot I had it. And I was going through, I'm like, okay, what other palettes do I have that's gray in here? So I have a lot of like cool tones like this gray, this baby blue or baby purple color. This green is calling me, and I definitely want to play up on some metallics. So I'm probably going to use this palette more than once for this week because it's so many colors in here that I want to play with. So yeah, so let's just see what we come up with. Let's zoom in. All right, so I think I want to play off of what's going on in this little corner right here. Like, I'm loving the color story. Very different, very unique, and like I said, it's a lot of cool tones, so I'm definitely going to play off of that. So I'm going to go in with this in my crease, and then I'm going to blend it out with this shade right here. And I haven't used a NYX palette in a while, so I don't know how the quality is. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with that. It's a weird color. It's like a, I don't even know how to describe it. It's like a mauve-y raisin pink color. But I'm just going to take that color and see if I can pretty much blend out this brown, which I think I can. It looks good so far. I'm gonna go back in with that dark brown just to build it back up, because I definitely feel like I did lose a little bit of it after blending, which is fine. Okay, that looks really good. I think the camera is making it look a lot darker than expected, but it's absolutely beautiful. I'm very pleased with this palette. Okay, I don't know why I was holding this palette hostage. Like, why was I not using you? Why? I would definitely be back quite some more times using this palette, because like I said, there's so many different ranges of colors in here, and I can see myself doing so many different looks with this palette. So most definitely I am going to use this again, and probably sometime this week. So don't be surprised if I use this palette again tomorrow for the next gray theme look, because there's just so many colors that say like inspire around here. Because I was really thinking, I was like, hey, what else can I do with gray? Like, what colors go good with gray? And this palette right here is like showing me, and I appreciate that. So yeah, so I'm gonna cut my crease off camera and I'll be right back. All right, so crease is cut. Oh my god, I don't know if I want to do metallic eyeshadows or if I want to keep it matte. Okay, I think I have a color story here that I want to play off of. I'm hoping it goes as planned. I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, which is a semi-gray color. And if it goes as planned, then I want to go in with this color. And I might put this in my inner tear duct. So I'm liking these little scheme colors right here. Let's see how this gray looks first. I'm going to apply it in the center part, kind of. So I did put this almost all over my eyelid because I really like how this color looks. It does have a hint of like blue undertone to it, but I like it. I like the difference that it's giving. So now I'm going to go in with that, I guess that green color, that matte green color. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with that dark brown. I don't know how it's gonna look against this green color. I guess it looks alright. I was debating on putting a black eyeshadow in here. I think that's gonna make it look too dark because it looks dark already. So I definitely need to brighten up this look by adding that metallic shadow. Alright, so I'm gonna pop that metallic shade right in the inner, and I'm applying this dry and it looks very good too. I'm very much so impressed. Making sure those two shades do blend together. That definitely opened the eyes back up. I was getting a little scared. I was like, oh, this is so dark. Okay, I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and then come back. It's giving something. It's giving something. All right, so decisions on what color to put on my bottom lash line. It's what's going to sell this look. I kind of want to go with a dark brown, but I feel like that's not going to fully complement the look. Let me see. I'm gonna try the gray. Hope I don't regret it. Let's see what the gray is giving. Definitely want to darken out the outer parts, but before I go in with that, I'm gonna pop in that inner shade that I have on right now. I'm just gonna bring it all the way down. And as I was looking at my look, the outer part, I don't think you guys can tell, but I feel like it's missing something. So I'm just gonna add a little bit, and I'm doing a tad bit of black eyeshadow towards the outer. And then also on the bottom lash line part too. So I still gotta put black inside my waterline and then pop on lashes and mascara. But I wanna quickly move on to my face as of now. And I'm gonna be going in with my L'Oreal to kind of pretty much bronze my face out. And with my NYX pencil for my lips. And I'm going in with a really pale lipstick. This is by LIVEGLAM. Like I said, it's a really pale nude color. Alright, so while that's drying, I'm going to move on to my blush. And I think I'm going to go in with NYX, being that I used the NYX palette. Going in with this pretty NYX blush. Kind of forgot I had this blush for a minute though, but I know it looks very bright. But it looks very warm on the complexion though. And a little definitely goes a long way. Going in with some gloss really quick by So Juicy. Quick highlighting, I am going to go in with the Morphe shade. This one is called Extra. Just going to quickly pop her on. So I'm going to quickly spray my face with my NYX spray. So I'm going to let this dry, and then I want to come back and pop on some lashes, and of course figure out exactly what I'm going to be wearing today. I hope you guys like this, because the more I look at it, I'm like, this is very dark, very different coming from me. But I feel like it's different in a good way, because I don't think I would have thought of these colors to be put together. But I feel like I have the perfect shade of gray to complement what I got going on, because these eyeshadows are so dark. But we're gonna make this work, okay, boo? So I really do hope you guys enjoyed today's makeup look. Now, as for the outfit, I did a really quick quick Shein order. Like I said, it's not really a lot of cute gray dresses because that's pretty much all that I can wear right now is gray dresses, and I try my best to pick out some cute items off of Shein, and my order just came like a couple of days ago, and I just freestyled and just grabbed a random bag out of the packaging. The first one was a no-go for me. So the second one, it looked humongous. I was like, did I not get the correct sizes? So then I just put this one on. So this one's a little bit, I feel like just a little plain, but still cute at the same time. I like the little button details, and I like the little flowy part of how it just embraces the belly, okay, if I should say that. But it's just a, you know, it's a basic gray type of dress, you know. Nothing special, nothing spectacular, and I feel like most of my gray outfits are going to look like that now because I really had a hard time shopping for gray pieces, and to keep in mind maternity type of style of clothing pieces, and I was just like, I like gray, but I like it to be combined with other colors. So yeah, so I try my best to make this work as much as possible. I still hope you guys enjoy somewhat of something. This is going to be a tricky theme week. I'm already seeing it. It's only day 2. It's only day 2, but I can feel it. It's going to be very interesting when it comes to makeup looks and the outfits as well. So yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching. I still hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please, if you did, do so. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Give me your feedback down at the bottom. And of course, like always, you guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and I'll see you guys in my next video.